Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing some I-tip extensions on my cousin here. She has came with her hair extra natural for me, and then I will blow dry it and blend it in and flat iron it with this hair today. So I don't know what lengths I want to use, but I have 14, 16, and 18-inch Burmese curly bundles here, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna get started. I have my I-tips already. I have my tool. I have my beads here, and I have some other tools as well. As you can see, I can loop the hair through. So I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry your hair, and then we can get started.
We are back with another banger.
All right, so this is how I parted her hair off. I left this area for her parting, and of course I left hair out on her sides and in the back as well, all the way around, so she can pull her hair up and wear it naturally in a ponytail. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start in the back with doing my I-tips. All right, you guys, so I have completed a few rows of the 18-inch hair. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows of the 18-inch hair in her hair right now. Beautiful, beautiful curls. She can pull it up if she wants to and put her hair up. So now I finished the 18. I'm gonna start doing the 16-inch hair because I want it to be kind of layered. So let me go ahead and get started. Let me show you how much hair I have left to kind of twist up. Hopefully you guys can see. Not twist up. Put my I-tips in. Got this much left. And then I'll show you guys once I get kind of towards the top. All right, you guys, so all of her eye tips are in. As you can see, there's a ton of them all in there, and I left her with a middle part. So now I'm just gonna put her hair up. It's just blow dried right now, so we haven't done anything to it. This is how her hair is up in a ponytail. All right. So now we're just gonna style her, figure out what we're gonna do with all this hair. Alright, ponytail. Come through.
Okay.
Hey. All natural.
Looks real good.
That's what I'm talking about. Put it up, put it down.
Leave some out.
Alright. Alright, you guys. She is done. Her natural eye tip extensions are in. I am loving it. She's very versatile. She can put her up, leave her down, wear her curly if she wants, do her twist outs and blowouts and things, and she is good to go. Okay, girl. You ain't nobody. You ain't nobody.
Oh my gosh.
You ain't cute, okay? You not.
I'm feeling myself.